If this existed when I was in school, my grades in mathematics might have looked very different because schools in New York are introducing a humanoid robot that can answer questions, explain concepts, and help students with homework 24 hours a day. Yep. A robot. Walking, talking, face-making, conversation-having robot. Meanwhile, my study strategy mostly involved panic and optimism. At the same time, this feels like one of those stories that sounds fake until you realize it's completely real. The company behind it is Realbotix, and they've launched an AI teaching assistant called Optio, along with their M Series humanoid robot in the Salamanca City Central School District in New York. Right now, it's starting as a pilot program, but if everything goes well, the plan is to expand it to around 500 students by fall 2026. So this isn't just a cool tech demo at some convention. This is a real school with real students, and now a real robot assistant. So, is the robot replacing teachers? Good news for teachers watching this. Your lesson plans are safe. For now. The robot isn't showing up with a briefcase and asking where its desk is. Optio isn't designed to replace teachers. Instead, think of it as the world's most overqualified teaching assistant. You know that moment when you're doing homework at night and suddenly realize you have absolutely no idea what your teacher meant by "show you're working"? Normally, your options are pretty limited. You text your smartest friend. They leave you on read. You search the internet. You somehow end up watching cooking videos 30 minutes later, or you give up and promise yourself you'll figure it out tomorrow morning. Optio is supposed to become another option. Students can ask questions anytime, find solutions, get explanations, receive tutoring, and even get help in multiple languages. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, no office hours required, no waiting for email replies, no "sorry, I'll explain it tomorrow." Honestly, if this existed when I was in school, my relationship with mathematics might have been slightly less dramatic. Personally, I am really impressed by this innovation. The crazy part isn't the AI, it's the robot standing in the classroom. And let me tell you the interesting part. The robot itself is a headline.
Longing for a late night conversation? Remember the thrill of talking for hours? The feeling of someone wanting to know all about you? You deserve more than quiet evenings. You deserve passion, intrigue, and a non-judgmental ear. Nomi is the most emotionally intelligent AI, ready to explore whatever is on your mind and build a unique, intimate bond just between you two. Find the link in our comment section and let a new kind of conversation begin.
Realbotix isn't just sending schools another chatbot hidden inside an app. They're sending an actual humanoid robot into the classroom. The M Series robot can hold conversations, respond to questions, make facial expressions, and interact with students face-to-face. Honestly, that would be a memorable and different experience, asking questions in class to a robot standing beside the teacher instead of opening a laptop or typing into a website, especially for students from the field of artificial intelligence or robotics. Learning about AI from an AI feels strangely appropriate and relevant. It's a little bit like learning cooking from a chef instead of just reading recipes in a book. What can this thing actually do? Quite a lot, actually. The robot can answer questions, join classroom discussions, explain concepts, and deliver educational content through conversations. It also uses facial expressions during interactions, which means we're entering the era of robots giving you disappointed looks when you forget your homework. That's a sentence I never expected to say. The system is also being used in Woz ED AI and robotics courses, where students will learn about things like machine learning, conversational AI, robotics engineering, and human-machine collaboration. In other words, instead of reading a chapter called The Future of Robotics, students are basically talking to the future of robotics. That's pretty cool. Whether you're excited about AI or terrified of it, that's objectively cool. The privacy question everyone immediately asked. Of course, the moment people hear the words AI and school in the same sentence, another question immediately appears. Okay, but where is all the data going? Fair question. According to school administrators, the robot won't connect directly to school servers or browse through internal systems. Teachers will upload approved materials through controlled systems. And the district says educators remain fully in charge of the learning process. Realbotix also says the system includes safeguards designed to avoid inappropriate responses or unreliable information. Basically, they're trying very hard to make sure the robot doesn't suddenly start explaining algebra using conspiracy theories from the internet, which admittedly would make for an unforgettable math lesson. One part of this actually sounds really useful. One feature that genuinely caught my attention is the focus on neurodiverse learners, because as we all know, not all students are the same, and traditional classrooms aren't perfect for everyone. Some students need more time, some need different explanations, some need to hear the same concept explained 3 or 4 different ways before it finally clicks. Teachers do their best, but one teacher can only split their attention so many ways. An AI assistant doesn't have that problem. It doesn't get tired and it doesn't get frustrated, and it doesn't mind explaining the same thing for the 3rd or 10th time. If technology can genuinely help students who struggle in traditional learning environments, that's probably one of the strongest arguments in favor of systems like this. Not everyone is happy or celebrating. Of course, not everyone loves the idea. Some teachers and education groups worry this could eventually lead to fewer teaching jobs. Others are concerned about privacy, screen dependence, or companies becoming too involved in education. And honestly, those concerns aren't unreasonable. Every major technological change starts with the same promise. This is here to help humans, not replace them. We've heard that sentence in customer service. We've heard it in journalism. We've heard it in graphic design. And now we're hearing it in education. Will robots replace teachers? Personally, I don't think so, at least not anytime soon. Teaching isn't just about sharing information. Teachers motivate students. Notice when someone is struggling, encourage confidence, handle classroom chaos, and somehow manage 30 teenagers before lunch. Frankly, if a robot can survive that environment, maybe it deserves a teaching certificate.
Longing for a late-night conversation? Remember the thrill of talking for hours? The feeling of someone wanting to know all about you? You deserve more than quiet evenings. You deserve passion, intrigue, and a non-judgmental ear. Nomi is the most emotionally intelligent AI, ready to explore whatever's on your mind and build a unique, intimate bond just between you two. Find the link in our comment section and let a new kind of conversation begin.
This feels bigger than one school district. For me, that's the really interesting part of this story, because this isn't just about one robot in one school. It's about what comes next. Today, it's homework help. Tomorrow, maybe it's language tutoring. After that, who knows? The technology is moving incredibly fast. A few years ago, we were asking whether AI could write essays. Now we're asking whether it should help teach classes. That's a pretty wild jump. And whether people love this idea or hate it, one thing seems pretty clear. The conversation isn't going away. So would you be comfortable learning with a robot? Personally, if I had a robot available at midnight to explain topics I didn't understand, I probably would have used it, especially during exam season. And I am sure most students have experienced the panic of realizing they understand absolutely nothing approximately 8 hours before the test. A 24/7 tutor sounds pretty useful in those situations. So what do you think? Would you be comfortable learning alongside a humanoid robot teaching assistant? Let me know in the comments below.